Hey, what's up, YouTube fans? I'm up at my lake house right now. What I wanted to make a YouTube video about right now that I was thinking about, right, is the possibility of other planets that are completely identical to Earth in every way, and even have someone on the planet that's identical to you in every way. You know, a species identical to humans in every way, and a person identical to you in every way. Um, the If there are infinite planets in the cosmos, which is currently plausible that there could be, then it would be guaranteed that there would be many planets out there that are completely identical to Earth in every way, and have someone on the planet identical to you in every way. Um, and it's totally plausible currently that there could be infinite planets out there. We know of no limit to the number of planets that there could be. You know, we already know that it's way more than Earth. And we can't see to the farthest region of the cosmos, if there even is a farthest region. There's no known limit. There could potentially be infinite planets, right? And if there are infinite planets, then it's guaranteed that there will be somewhere where it's guaranteed that there will be many planets identical to Earth in every possible way, because while there are many, many, many possible ways that a planet could be, including like the sequence of events that happen on the planet, right? Even though it's a very large number of possible ways, there's only a finite number of ways that any single planet could be. There's only a finite number of things that could happen on a single planet, right? Therefore, meaning that if there are infinite planets, then every possible sequence of events that could happen on a planet is guaranteed to happen on some planet, many planets, right? And so it would be guaranteed under that scenario, which is a plausible scenario, that there are many, many planets out there that are identical to Earth in every way, and have someone just like yourself in every way. And if there are infinite galaxies out there, there could even be there could even be many, many galaxies that are identical to our galaxy in every possible way, even in terms of, you know, like the exact arrangement of atoms, and within the exact, you know, like sequence of them across time, right? You could have it be exactly identical many times over, right? And, you know, relating to the origin of life, you know, all statistical arguments that people try and make of like, oh, it can't happen by chance because, you know, we get this really big number of how unlikely it is. Whatever number you get, you could put that number to the power of itself, and then put that number to the power of itself, and it could still plausibly happen trillions and trillions of times over, because there's no known limit to the cosmos, nor even any strong evidence that the cosmos has a limit. And no matter how rare it is, conscious observers can only find themselves somewhere where it happened. Without life, you don't get things with eyes, sensory organs, brain, so there's nothing there to observe the lack of life anywhere where there is no life, right? So the fact that we observe it here is not actually evidence that it's at all common. It could be as rare as we need it to be, right? And it only had to happen once on Earth because all life on Earth shares common ancestry, and we know of no life elsewhere, right? And so all statistical arguments regarding the origin of life are completely unproblematic to account for. Whatever number you get, put that number to the power of itself, and then put that number to the power of itself, and then put that number to the power of itself. And then it could still happen trillions and trillions of times over, because we know of no limit to how vast the cosmos could be, right? There's no known limit whatsoever, right? All right, that's all for now. See you guys.